Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Office Online Practice Chapter 1 Independence Project 1 to 6. So if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, stating and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel Office Online in Practice Chapter 1 Independent Project 1 to 6. So we move to the main project step is Independent Project 1 to 6 and we move to the main project step. So step number 1 is open the EX Independence Project 1 to 6 start a file. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So I have already opened the EX independent 1 to 6 projects and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is type the living good income tax and accounting in cell A1 and press enter. So select the cell A1 and type the living good income 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 tax so income tax and accounting and press enter. So living good income tax and income in cell A1. So A1 is the living income and tax accounting in cell A1 and next is type the account receivable in cell A2 and press enter. So select the A2 and accounts. So type the accounts receivable and press enter. So account receivable in cell A2 and next is type the labor row force in the figures and date invoice and clients. So type the date and press enter and next is invoice. So select the invoice and press tab button and next is client ID and press tab button and next is amount, press tab button and next is payment date, payment date and press tab button and last is payment type in column F, payment type. So next is question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is autofit column E to F to display each label in row 4. So select the column E to F and double click, apply the icon, apply the autofit column in column E to F and next is type the 8, 18, 19 in cell A5, enter the date and A6 is type 821 and set the pattern of the dates. So next is A5, so select the A5. So A5 is 8 by 18 18 8 by 18 by 19 and press tab button. Press tab button, and next is A6 is 820 by 19. So select the A6 is type the 8 by 20 20 by 19 and press tab button. 820 by 19, and next is select the A5 to A6 and use the fill handle to dates A15. So select the A5 to A6 A5 to A6 and use the fill handle to dates in cell A15. So copy the date and paste the date in cell A15 A15, and next is select the B5 and type the 101. So select the B5, type the 101, press tab button, and next is B6 is to 102 pattern and then invoice number. So select the B5 and B6, select the B6, type the 102 and press tab button, and select the B5 to B6 and use the fill handle fill invoice number to reach in B15. So select the B5 to B6 and fill handles, and next is type the in cell L letter 001 in C5 first ID and C6 is letter to the pattern. So select the C5 and in 001 and center, and next is select the C6. C6 is first and press enter, and next is use the fill handle to complete the client ID numbers. So fill handle the client number ID, and next is type the 425 in cell D5. So select the D5, press enter, and D5 is 425 and press enter, and next is 425 and D6 is 415 and press tab button in cell D6. So D5 and D6 is 415, fill in the modes, and next is 8 by 28 by 19 in cell E5, enter the date, and E6 is 8 by 29 19 the pattern, fill the rest of the E15. So select the E5, so select the E5 E5 8 by 28 8 by 28 by 8 by 28 by 19 and press enter, and next is E6 is 8 by 29 by 19 8 by 29 by 19 and press enter, and fill the rest of the E15. So question number 13 is complete. So question number 13 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete SIMnet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and year exam. So question number 14 is type the check in cell F5. So select the F5 and type the check and press tab button. And next is F6 is EFT. So select the F6 and type the EFT and press enter. EFT and F7 is credit card. Select the F7 credit card and press enter in cell F7 credit card and F15. So select the C5 to increase the ingredient and out of it column do not same the payments. Select and fill handle in cell F15. So question number 14 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.